Most people train muscles separately, but real strength comes from total body movement. There's one exercise that builds strength everywhere at the same time. It looks simple, but the impact on your body is extremely powerful. This movement builds real strength you can actually use in everyday life. It trains grip, core, posture, and endurance all in one motion. Yet most people ignore this powerful exercise completely in their routines. This is the farmer's carry, and it changes how your body performs. If you want real strength, you need to start doing this today. Most gym routines focus on isolated movements instead of functional strength training. That's why people look strong but struggle with real-world physical tasks daily. Machines don't train your body to work together as one unit. Your body is designed for coordination, not isolation training methods only. Farmer's carry forces your entire body to work together under load. That's what builds true, usable strength in everyday situations. Your grip becomes stronger because you hold heavy weight consistently over time. Your core stabilizes your entire body during movement under resistance. Your shoulders and traps support the load and maintain posture alignment. Your legs drive movement while staying stable and controlled throughout the exercise. This combination creates full body activation and increases calorie burn efficiently. It also improves posture and strengthens your spine under pressure. But most people perform this exercise completely wrong and lose all benefits. They round their shoulders and collapse their posture immediately during movement. They swing weights instead of controlling them properly throughout each step. They walk too fast and lose tension in their entire body. They also choose weights that are far too light to challenge muscles. All these mistakes reduce effectiveness and limit strength development significantly. To fix this, you need to learn the correct form first. Start by standing tall with your chest up and shoulders back. Hold heavy weights firmly at your sides without letting them swing. Keep your core tight like you are preparing for impact. Walk slowly with controlled, steady, and balanced steps forward. Maintain strong posture throughout the entire movement from start to finish. Now, let's break down the exact steps to perform this exercise perfectly. First, choose weights that feel heavy but still allow controlled movement. Stand upright and engage your core before starting to walk forward. Grip the weights tightly to activate your forearms and prevent slipping. Keep your shoulders down and back throughout the entire movement. Start walking forward with slow and controlled steps every time. Focus on maintaining balance and posture with each step you take. Keep your head neutral and eyes looking straight forward always. Maintain tension in your entire body from start to finish. Continue walking for about 20 to 40 seconds per set. Then rest properly and repeat the movement for multiple sets. Avoid common mistakes that reduce effectiveness and increase injury risk. Do not use weights that are too light for your strength level. Never allow your shoulders to collapse forward during movement. Avoid walking too fast because control is more important than speed. Always keep your core tight and engaged throughout the exercise. Do not look down as it breaks your posture alignment instantly. When done correctly, results start appearing quickly and noticeably. Your grip strength improves significantly within just a few sessions. Your core becomes stronger and more stable during daily activities. Your posture improves and you stand taller naturally without effort. Your body looks more powerful and athletic overall with consistent training. This exercise builds real strength, not just appearance-based muscle. It prepares your body for real-world physical challenges effectively. The farmer's carry is simple but extremely powerful when done correctly. It trains multiple muscle groups together in one efficient movement. It improves strength, endurance, and stability at the same time. Add this exercise to your routine and transform your performance. Train smarter and focus on movements that deliver real results. Stop wasting time on exercises that don't build functional strength. Start incorporating farmer's carry into your weekly workout routine. Stay consistent and push your limits safely with proper form. Build strength that actually matters in your everyday life. This is how real athletes train for performance and power. Your body adapts quickly when challenged with full body movements. Keep progressing and increasing weight gradually over time. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and train with purpose every session. Subscribe now for more powerful fitness strategies that actually work.